to try to make this more affordable, so I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer. Mainly apply it in my T-zone. Well, I'm going to take another LA Girl product, and it's the Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wearing Illuminating Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. Oh! Totally missed. That was a fail. Does anybody have astigmatism in their eyes and wear contacts? Because I have one now in one of my eyes and I just cannot. This is the second brand of contacts that I'm trying. I just can't see. It's blurry. It goes blurry so much on me that it's driving me crazy. I thought this brand was gonna work for me because she was like, every brand's different, blah, 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 blah. And yeah, this is not working. Constantly have to blink to get it to focus. Is that normal? God, look at this little guy right here. The only thing that's not gonna be more affordable is the concealer. I think I'm gonna use Huda's. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty's concealer because I haven't taken the time to try to find a good drugstore one. And clearly I need it really bad, so I'm not going to go cheap on that. Honestly, I'd rather do it with a brush. See, I started putting concealer on my chin and it started breaking out. My face does not like concealer on my forehead or my chin anymore. Any type of concealer, doesn't matter which one it is. And then I'm just gonna set that. I'm gonna set that with the Milani Translucent Banana. Not using a lot, just a little bit. So I'm going to take the new Wet n Wild PACMAN palette, which is called Game Over, and I'm going to apply the matte orange color with a Sigma E38 blending brush just into my crease. I was really impressed with these eyeshadows. They're really pigmented. There wasn't a lot of fallout. They blended really nicely. And yeah, they worked really good. I was really surprised. And then I'm going to take the color on top, which is just like a shimmery orange shade. And again, I was really impressed with this color as well. The camera's not really picking up how pretty it is, but it's really pretty. I did not expect this palette to be as good as it was. The only color I wasn't really impressed with was this blue color. I don't know if it just didn't go too well with the orange color that I used, but it wasn't as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. And it was like, I don't know, it just wasn't the blue that I thought it was going to be. It could be that it just didn't work well with this orange color. So I didn't really like it. I kind of instantly regretted putting it at the outer corner of my eye. So then I went back in with the orange shade I put on my lid and kind of just went over the blue a little bit just to kind of cover it up a little bit. I don't know, I really wasn't liking how it looked. I haven't tried the blue on its own yet, but I didn't like it where I put it. So then I applied the purple, which was really good. This color was bomb. It was so pigmented and it's just a really pretty color. And so I applied that to my lower lash line, and then I added a LA Girl. Everything will be listed in the description box below, but it's like they're neon eyeliners. And I just applied that to my waterline, and then I used the pink, which was also really good. And by the way, these colors were kind of hard. They kind of left my eyes a little bit stained when I took them off. But yeah, the colors were super pigmented. And then I just applied the yellow in the inner corner. I was trying to use as many colors as possible just to try them all out. I'm so shocked right now. That worked so good. So let's see how everything else works. I'm going to show you the PR package that I got because it's huge and it's so cute. By the way, this video isn't sponsored. They just sent me the PR kit, so just so you know. So this is what's inside. It comes with a blush. I don't think I'm going to use this. It comes with a blush and highlighter. Blush lighter. It just looks really, what the hell do I have on my hand? It just looks really, really pink. I'm not sure if you can see that. But it looks too pink. I don't know, maybe I'll try it. 4 liquid lipsticks, and then this is what I'm gonna use right now. I've never used these ones that have like the little balls in them, but this is a bronzer. This is the palette that I use. This is, oh, actually, this is a blush palette, so I'm probably just going to use this. This may be just their highlighter, but I'm not going to use that because that just looks a little bit too pink. I'm going to use this right now because it's super cute. This is a lip scrub, and this is a lip balm. How cute are they? They're in little cherries. And then there's a whole other section. There's a whole, there was a whole other section underneath the thing, which came with these 2 brushes. This is an eyeshadow brush. I didn't really use this one, but I am going to use this one, which is a Waka 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 powder brush. The names are so cute. What I'm going to do right now is use this Bonus Fruit lip balm. It is so cute. My daughter wanted to keep all of this stuff. It also came with a little pack of, I think it was like 6 nail polishes in it, which my daughter kept. Look at this. Smells like cherries. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on. Power Palettes Bronzer. And it comes with this little, they're like in little balls, so I mean, what am I supposed to do? Look. I remember these. Did you guys ever have those little batons that had these little things inside them? Okay, so this just says powder brush, so I'm gonna use it for bronzer, and I'm assuming I just like go like that, like swirl my brush in. Oh yeah, oh, that's pretty. Okay. Really, really pretty color. I really liked that. My head is hurting from having my hair up like this. I don't know how people do it. Doing it very lightly because I don't want it to, but this one does have some kind of shimmer to it, so I can even go without a highlighter if I really wanted to. I'm going to go with the J-Cat Beauty You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter. I do recommend wetting this with something just because it is a little bit on the powdery side. You can either spray your face or just spray the brush because it doesn't look that good. It looks really, really pretty with it wet, but if it's not, it looks kind of powdery. And then for lipstick, I think I'm just going to try this one because the other ones are just a little bit too crazy. They're like blue, pink. Let me show you. I guess I'll show you. They have names. Oh, how cute. Blinky, Inky, Pinky, and Clyde. How cute. This collection is so cute. Pink color, a blue color, and like a lavender. I really didn't do any of those. I'm going to go with this. The bra has been showing that whole time. Oh, it's a gloss. Oh, duh. Oh man, they're all gloss. Duh. I'm gonna use Time Los Angeles lipstick in macchiato, and then I'm just gonna put the gloss over it. On top. I really, really like this collection, and everything is under $10. The eyeshadow palette I use is $9.99. The brushes are around like $7 and $8. The blush palette is $9. Nothing's over $10. The lip scrub, these lip glosses are $5.99. The lip balm, lip scrubs $4.99. The nail kit's $9.99. The bronzer's only $6.99.